The last thing we need to do in our file here, remember we have this to do show error to the user. I'm going to get rid of it, and we're going to have our JG progress AGT to show nice error to our user. So we say self.AGT that we have created dot text label dot text is equals, and we're going to say all fields are required. And then we say self.AGT.indicator view is going to be equals to JG progress AGT error indicator view, because we are going to show an error. And we say self.AGT.show, and we're going to show in view, and the view is going to be self.view because we want to show it in our current view, and we want automatically to dismiss our view error. So say self.AGT.dismiss. We're going to say after delay of 2 seconds. So this error will be shown only for 2 seconds, and after it will remove itself. So let's quickly run, and let's just go here and click done. It says all fields are required, and we get this nice error and it disappears automatically. And as I promised, I'm going to show you how these activity views look like. So if you go to the GitHub and search for NV activity indicator view, you scroll down, you will see all the different options that we can use, and these are numbered. So you can come here and see like number 1 is the one we are using, and it's called ball pulse. Let's say you like number 26, which is a Pac-Man. You can come here and just change the type to Pac-Man 26, and it will give you this loading indicator. So you can use any of these. It's quite simple library. You can integrate it into your applications if you want to, and you can use a nice loading instead of showing the default iOS loading spinning indicator. This is more nice to the eye to see this type of loading bars.